I've sent the bareMinerals Brow Master in the color Coffee. So one side you're gonna get the brush and the other side is gonna be that pigment. Here is what Coffee looks like, just so you can see it. So it's a dark brown color. I actually started with a layer on my eyebrows already, but I figured we could do another layer to make them thicker together. So here we go. We're just gonna draw on them. I have exceptionally thin brows, so I have to draw mine on. And what I like about this is how easy it goes on and that the pigment stays on. It's water resistant, it's smudge proof. So if I were to go like this, it's not coming off all over my finger, which is nice. And then we can take this side and do a little blending. So good. What I love about this is how natural your brows look. I'm all about that natural look, and this looks so natural. You can make it as thick as you want or as thin as you want. You can keep layering, or you can just fill in some sparse areas. So this is a fabulous brow pencil. I'm gonna be using it all the time, and I know you're gonna love it as well.